Why do the wealthy value the snake plant so much? On March 15, 2026, the international analytical agency Dataintelo released a comprehensive houseplant market research report that revealed a surprising fact. One of the key sales leaders and the undisputed favorite among top corporate interior designers wasn't a rare tropical plant costing thousands of dollars, but the common Sansevieria, familiar to everyone. And this is no coincidence. In the world of high achievers, even plants are chosen pragmatically. This seemingly ordinary plant possesses far more unique properties than meets the eye, many of which most people don't even suspect. In this video, I'll tell you about the 7 secrets that have made the snake plant a true companion for millionaires. Let's get started. For those whose cognitive abilities are their primary asset, sleep is more than just downtime. It is a critical process of regeneration. Today's industry leaders are obsessed with the quality of their recovery, leveraging Aura rings and Whoop trackers to monitor every stage of sleep. In this context, the snake plant serves as the ultimate biological gadget. Most plants follow a standard cycle. They absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen during the day, but do the exact opposite at night, effectively competing with you for air in a closed bedroom. The snake plant, however, is an evolutionary hacker. It utilizes a rare metabolic process known as CAM photosynthesis. To conserve precious moisture in arid climates, the plant keeps its pores closed during the day and opens them only at night, actively absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing a steady stream of pure oxygen precisely while you sleep. The value of this process is backed by science. Harvard University studies clearly demonstrate that elevated indoor carbon dioxide levels lead directly to diminished cognitive performance and mental clarity. Keeping a snake plant by your bedside helps lower CO2 levels, eliminating so-called morning brain fog. The result? The brain recovers faster, and the owner of that cognitive capital wakes up with a crystal-clear mind, ready for high-stakes negotiations. In the world of big money, every action must yield a return on investment. Greening a workspace is no exception. There is a concept known as attention restoration theory. Our brains did not evolve to analyze endless spreadsheets and lines of code for hours on end. Such work causes directed attention fatigue. A study by the University of Exeter proved that integrating the right plants into an office environment increases employee productivity by 15%. But why do CEOs specifically choose the snake plant over lush ferns? The answer lies in visual psychology. Sprawling, branched plants create excessive visual noise. The brain subconsciously spends microdoses of energy processing this chaos. In contrast, the snake plant possesses a strict, predictable vertical geometry. Its lines do not overload the optic nerve. Instead, they send an ancient signal to the limbic system. You are safe. Life is here. This is the essence of biophilic design, which giants like Google and Apple are implementing in their headquarters. A snake plant on a desk is a micro version of an innovative campus. It is a legal performance enhancer for concentration, allowing one to generate ideas at peak efficiency without the risk of rapid burnout. One should not underestimate the metaphysical side of success. From Wall Street to Hong Kong, the world's wealthiest people hire Feng Shui consultants before launching a startup or purchasing real estate. In this cultural code, form carries immense weight. The narrow, sharp, and strictly upward-reaching leaves of the snake plant are associated with swords. It is no coincidence that in several cultures, the plant is called St. George's sword. It is believed that these natural blades are capable of cutting through negative energy, known as sha qi. In the cutthroat world of business, filled with competitor envy and toxic vibes, the snake plant serves as a kind of energetic shield. It is customary to place it at office entrances or in the corners of a study to filter not only chemical toxins, but psychological pressure as well. For business sharks, this plant becomes a vital psychological anchor. Looking at its rigid, sword-like leaves, a leader subconsciously feels that their personal space is protected. This functions as a powerful placebo effect. Reducing base anxiety levels allows one to maintain composure during moments of market turbulence. The plant acts as a silent guardian, shielding the owner's focus from external noise. Time is the only irreplaceable asset a millionaire cannot buy back. This is why they ruthlessly optimize their daily lives, eliminating anything that causes decision fatigue. You likely remember Mark Zuckerberg's identical gray t-shirts or Steve Jobs' black turtlenecks. They eliminated the choice of clothing to preserve cognitive resources for global tasks. The snake plant is the botanical equivalent of the gray t-shirt. Most exotic plants behave like temperamental divas. They require precisely calibrated humidity, specific watering schedules, misting, and specialized lighting. They are liabilities that demand your time and attention. Sansevieria, however, is the absolute embodiment of the passive life philosophy. This is a plant that can be left without water for a month while you are on a business trip in Europe or vacationing by the ocean. It will greet you just as green and unyielding as before. It withstands the dry air of air conditioners and the dim lighting of conference rooms. For someone whose time is worth thousands of dollars a minute, any plant requiring complex care is an unprofitable venture. The snake plant, on the other hand, delivers 100% value in oxygen, aesthetics, and status with nearly zero maintenance costs. It is a flawless asset that simply does its job without demanding anything in return. The era of loud wealth, gold accessories, and giant logos is rapidly fading into the past. In its place has come the era of quiet luxury and the old money aesthetic. In the interiors of Manhattan penthouses or minimalist estates in the Hamptons, you won't find gaudy flower beds or ostentatious orchids that look like they're trying too hard. These spaces are dominated by concrete, natural wood, panoramic glass, and the snake plant. Sansevieria is architectural botany in its purest form. Its strict, almost mathematical geometry fits perfectly into modern premium interiors. Designers value it for its unique ability to manipulate space. The plant's vertical lines visually lift ceilings, creating a sense of openness and power. It is a living sculpture that requires no elaborate decorative framing. Unlike many leafy plants that create a tropical jungle effect, the snake plant conveys discipline, clean lines, and impeccable taste. It doesn't overtake a room with its branches. It holds its form, symbolizing control and confidence. This plant speaks of its owner's status in a whisper, which in high society circles is valued more than any shout. It underscores the philosophy of minimalism, owning less but better. The psychology of great wealth is closely intertwined with the philosophy of stoicism.
The works of Marcus Aurelius and Seneca have become staple reading for venture capitalists and Silicon Valley unicorn founders. The central lesson of the Stoics is simple. Success is not the absence of hardship, but the ability to remain steadfast and grow under any conditions. In the botanical world, there is no better embodiment of this idea than the snake plant. This plant is a true biological terminator. It possesses phenomenal resilience, withstanding prolonged droughts, months without direct sunlight, temperature swings, and the dry, dead air of office air conditioning. Its will to live is staggering. Even a small leaf fragment is enough for the plant to regenerate and sprout new life when placed in soil. Successful people subconsciously surround themselves with symbols that resonate with their inner values. When a CEO faces a market crash, the collapse of a multi-million-dollar deal, or a prolonged crisis, a glance at a Sansevieria serves as a non-verbal reminder of the primary rule of survival. The plant's message is simple and stern. Be firm, adapt, do not complain about a lack of resources, just keep growing upward. This is a daily, silent form of motivation that leaders value far more than motivational posters on the walls.
For the mass market, the snake plant is just an affordable plant from the supermarket. However, in the world of limitless capital, there exists a hidden VIP tier where collecting rare species turns into a genuine intellectual sport and a hunt for unique assets. Millionaires buy up the rarest genetic mutations just as they hunt for Patek Philippe watches or vintage sports cars. In this segment, plant ownership becomes a stealth flex. The most coveted specimens include Sansevieria pinguicula, walking Sansevieria, an alien-looking plant that appears to walk across the surface on its aerial roots. Whale fin, Maciana, it produces a single giant leaf resembling a whale's fin, the gold standard of botanical minimalism. Bantal sensation and other variegated forms, rare mutations with perfect snow white or gold stripes. Collectors are willing to pay thousands of dollars for a small cutting of a rare variety at private auctions in Thailand or Indonesia. Owning such a specimen is a marker of access to resources. It is a living asset that only grows in value over time, underscoring the elitism of its owner. Why has the snake plant remained in style for decades? The answer lies in the Lindy effect, the idea that if something has lasted a long time, the probability of it continuing to exist only increases. Sansevieria graced British Victorian mansions in the 19th century, survived the era of modernism, and has now become an icon in the offices of tech giants. In its famous clean air study, NASA officially confirmed its status as a superfilter capable of absorbing benzene and formaldehyde. This plant, proven by both time and science, is here to stay, perhaps even on future missions to Mars. If you are ready to incorporate this biological asset into your life, follow the millionaire mindset strategy. Location matters. Place one large specimen in the bedroom for a nightly oxygen boost and a group of plants in your office. Grouping creates what is known as an oxygen station, which operates more efficiently than a single flower. Invest in quality. Avoid cheap plastic pots. The snake plant deserves a worthy frame, heavy ceramics, natural stone, or architectural concrete. This emphasizes the plant's status as a living sculpture. Apply the law of non-interference. The primary mistake beginners make is overcare. Remember the principle of passive life. Forget about watering for 3 to 4 weeks. The plant knows exactly how to distribute its resources. Your task is simply to not interfere with its perfection. The snake plant is more than just a piece of decor. It is a quiet, reliable, and highly effective partner in your success. It works while you sleep, purifies your space while you make decisions, and maintains an unshakable calm while the storm rages outside. In a world full of chaos, this is perhaps the best investment you can make in your comfort and productivity. Be like the Sansevieria, grow upward no matter what, and do it with impeccable style. My friends, do you have a Sansevieria in your own collection? Please share your experience in the comments. I'm sure many will find it helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Your support helps me tremendously. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.